Here we will see creating complex view in SQL Server. Complex views are based on multiple tables and they use join operations to combine data from these tables. They provide a way to present data from multiple tables as a single virtual table, which makes it easier to work with the data. Complex views can also be used to hide the complexity of complex queries, which makes them easier to work with. A complex query could include following features, such as subqueries, joining to many tables and using different join types, functions within functions, and group by and having clauses. General syntax is create view, view name as select columns from table name and where condition. Here view name is the name of the view. Column 1, column 2 are the column names from the tables. You can select columns from one or more tables and you can also perform calculations or use functions to transform the data. Table name is the name of the table or tables that the view will based on, and where is the condition, which is an optional clause that filters the data based on a specified condition. Here is an example. Create view software view as select p name, then sum of sold as total sale from software and group by p name. Here it will create a view software view with product name and sum of sold products as a total sale from the software. We can create a view using join. Here we have created a view employee detail as. Here we will select columns from employee table and department table and we will make inner join with department table on department ID from both the tables. We can create a view using SQL Server Management Studio. For this, open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to the database, and then in Object Explorer right click on the view folder as shown below and click on new view. Then select tables on which you are going to create a view. Select the fields from the table that you want to add in the query. You can delete a view using drop view statement. General syntax is drop view view name, where view name is the name of the view to delete. And you can delete the view from SQL Server Management Studio also. For this, select the view, right click it and click on delete. Now I will create this complex view in SQL Server. For this, first we will use database. So I will use project 1. Here we will create a view on software table. So first we will display data from software. So select star from software. And now we will create a view. So create view software detail as, and here we will use select p name, comma, sum of sold product. So I will use sum function. So sum of sold as sold software from software, and we'll use group by clause. So group by p name, and we'll execute this. It will create a view software detail. To check it, we'll refresh this view. It will display a view software detail under view. Now I'll use select statement, select star from software detail, and we execute it. It will display the data from the view software detail. Now we'll create view with inner join for employee table and department table. So first we'll display data from employee table, and then we'll display data from department table, and we'll create a view using these two tables. So create view software view as. Here we'll select data from employee and department table. So select employee dot first name, comma, employee dot last name, comma, employee dot department ID, and we'll use from department table as department dot name. Then we'll use from employee. Here we'll use inner join. So inner join department on employee dot department ID equal to department dot department ID, and we execute this. It will create a view software view. To check it, refresh these views. It will create a view as software view. Now I'll display the data from software view. So select star from software view. It will display the data from employee table and department table. Since we have used inner join, it will display the data from employee table whose department ID is present in the department table, and name of the department is taken from the department table. Now I'll create a view using SQL Server Management Studio. For this, right click on views, select new view. Here we will add two tables as employee and department. Here relation is set for the common field department ID. Now select the fields as first name, last name, department ID and name. When you select the field, the query is created here. Now we'll save this as software detail and we refresh this. The query software detail is created here. To delete a view, we can use drop view view name, or you can right click here and click on delete. It will delete the view.